Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leah Rose, and today we are doing our weekly planner spread in our passion planner. So this past week was interesting. I had a lot going on, and as you remember, I did the gold spread, but it was rough, guys. It was rough, but I'm glad I made it through, and I'm glad we're here on another day to plan our week. So we're just gonna skip over to our blank page. So this is the last week in April, but the first week in May. So that's super exciting. All right, so we're gonna be using purple this week. You know, something simple, not too much going on. I'm actually kind of like, I don't want to say over it, but I have a lot going on this week, so I don't want to put too much on my planner that kind of, you know, does too much for me. So we're just going to keep it simple, and yeah, let's get started. So that's the simple piece with these stickers. Like I said, I'm not trying to do too much. So I'm going to use this to block out my time for work during the week. So let's see. Alright, so those are my time blocks. Now I'm going to kind of sketch them in with a crayon because I'm a little kid and I like to color. So I'm going to be using my purple, and I'm going to go with light purple, Premier fine liners, and these are 0.04. Okay. I'm going to use my light purple. Just want to make sure I can see it through that. Alright, so let's do... The first planner packet that I'm going to use is my Choose Happy by Love Nicole. And usually I like to stick with the theme of purple, so we're going to see if we see anything. So the next one is this sticker book. It's literally called hashtag sticker book, but this one's by Dear Lizzie. And she's super cute. These have cute stickers in here too. So sticking with our purple theme, let's see what we can find. Let's see what our quotes. This is the Happy Planner Gold Star quotes. This one's actually really nice. I've been using this a lot. So let's see what we have quote wise that fit our purple theme.